What up, YouTube? It's your boy back again. So I'm about to unbox my new lights for the Buick. As you can see, I'm kind of already starting a little bit, getting ready to take the old lights out. Yep, getting ready to take these out. Them the old ones. As you can see, they're real bad though. I mean, just clouded up. You know, you don't get too good of a shine at all. And just to let everybody know, all that stuff that you see on them shelves talking about headlight restore, oh, it can bring the lights back and all that, man, don't waste y'all money. If you can, do like I did. Just go ahead and buy your brand new set and you'll be a whole lot satisfied. Because that stuff on the shelf, that just a gimmick, just a waste of time. But hey, if you can't afford to buy the whole new light assembly, whatever, go to the junkyard. Find that model car, whatever that you got. Hey, if the light's in good condition, hey, get it from the junkyard. It'll be a lot cheaper than getting them brand new, you know what I'm saying, if you can't afford it, at a certain price, depending on the vehicle. But for me, I'm changing these bad boys out. As you see, I'm going brand new. That's right. These here are coming out. They are going to the garbage. So here's my box. So let me get the unboxing this here. Set that down. All right, quick. Let me unbox this, see what these new lights look like. All right, got these nicely packaged. I like that. Set it down. And by the way, if y'all want to know the price that I found these for, I went on eBay. I'm gonna have to find the name of the company. I got both pairs, left and right, brand new. With shipping, I paid $140 for these here, brand new. All right, let's see what we got. I like the packaging on here. Package is real good. Wow, yes. This is what I'm talking about. Can y'all see the difference? Look at this here. Brand spanking new. Look at it. Now you tell me, that look a whole lot better than that do. Old, look at the new. Yes, sir. Oh, these things look good, man. This car gonna look totally different. Yes. Set this off to the side. Get this other one unpacked. Yes. Like that, like that. This what I'm talking about. Fresh. Yes. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling these old ones out. Once I pull them out, I'm gonna set them kind of like side by side and let y'all, do the look comparison. So, yep. Take a good look at them. These are coming out. Yes. All right. So I'm gonna get back with y'all as soon as I get one in. Okay, everybody. So I finally got the lights in, and I can tell you, they look a whole lot better. I mean, it just gives the car a whole new appearance, man. Look, I'm gonna let y'all check it out. Tell me what y'all think. Look at that. Man, them things look clean, man. It makes the car look like it just came out of the off the lot, man. Look at that. Man, that looks a whole lot better. All right, once again, I'm gonna show y'all the comparison. Now look at the old one. At the top, look at the new one. Big difference. Big difference. Man. Now, next step, I'm gonna see if they gotta make sure they working pretty good. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe they come on like that. Let's check them out. Ooh, yeah. What y'all think about that? Look at it. Look at that. Yes. Nice shine. Nice shine on it. Yes. That looks 100% better. Turn it off. Yes, that looks a whole lot better, y'all. Whole lot better. I mean, it like I said, it makes the car look totally different. It gives it a whole new appearance, man. I like that. So yep, that is it, y'all. So I got them. So I got the lights installed in. So the lights are finished. So the next thing I'm waiting on. Let me see what tomorrow is. Saturday. Okay, yeah. All right. So I got a new set of these coming in. Supposed to be tomorrow. Sunday, the radio kit, the dash kit for the radio, it's supposed to come tomorrow. Well, no, not tomorrow. It's supposed to arrive by Sunday. So I still gotta wait before I even do the radio anyway, because the speakers, they don't come until next Thursday. So I put like this. I'll go ahead and once the kit come in, I'll go ahead and install the radio, so that way it'll be done first. And then once the speakers come, then I'll put those in afterwards. Because I pretty much got all the stuff that I need. Got the backup camera, just waiting. And I got the antenna adapter. And I got that interface. So I'm pretty much just waiting for the rest of the packages to come in. And I can tell y'all, hey, the project is coming along pretty good. My first thing I wanted to do was definitely get those lights changed out. Because those lights looked horrible. Y'all gotta admit it, they looked horrible. It made the car look like it was 100 years old or something. It just looked horrible. But now, yes, it makes that front look a whole lot different. And also, the Buick hubcaps, whatever, I'm changing those out too. Those are going straight to the trash. So we got some new ones that I'm gonna put on there. You know, trying to give it a nice little appearance. You know, bringing the car back to life. That's it, you know. But other than that, man, I mean, just to show y'all the car, man, I mean, look at it, though. Nice little burgundy, man. Now, this right here, let me see. After I finish putting those covers back on, putting a few bolts up front on the lights up there, and I'm going to go ahead and do the wheels next. Take those off, put the new ones on. And I probably may have time to get to this here today. Get this kind of cleaned up. Just old, whatever. But yeah, definitely get that cleaned up. And that one right there too. So yeah, I probably may have time to get to that today. And then once that's finished, I'm doing these here tomorrow. Yep. Go put some paper on that window. Just riding clear ain't gonna do it. No, no, no. See how it look now? Have some paper on that window. It's too hot down here. I mean, even though we got AC, but still, I gotta put some paper on that window though. Yep. So let me show y'all the lights one more time. Show you how they came out. Yep. Like I said, it looked pretty good on there. Alright, y'all. So that's another little project done by DJ Ron the Mechanic. So the next vid, I'm gonna be tackling the windows, putting that paper on there. Yes, we gonna be tinted, because every car in my yard has tint on it. You see the truck? Tinted. Yep. You see my daughter car right here? Tinted. You see that? Yes. And of course you see my car there. Tinted. Yep. So, hey, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell when your boy drop videos. Hey, and by the way, look, I appreciate all my subscribers. Thank y'all very much, and hanging out with your boy, man. I got plenty more projects coming, you know, and I'm gonna do my best to keep the videos coming, you know. So, hey, I'm out.